Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish. I applied OPI Nail Envy as base coat, just one time. It looks pretty empty, doesn't it? I've been adding thinner in it. It works perfect, no problem. I'm gonna use this Japanese nail polish. It's pretty opaque. This series is called One Coat Finish. It's supposed to be applied just once, but I tend to press the brush too much. I usually end up with patches on the nail. I know I shouldn't press it hard, but my left hand is not my dominant hand. It's okay, I'm going to paint it again. This is another Japanese polish. It's called Can Make Tokyo. It's not really opaque, it's kind of a sheer milk white shade. I'm gonna paint the pinky and the index finger. Although the brush is pretty big, it's surprisingly easy to use. I prefer big brushes actually. How about you guys? I'm gonna paint the ring finger with the blue one. I use this color for the thumb. I know I can do much better with my dominant hand. Everybody has to practice well with the non-dominant hand, right? Oh, I just ruined it. A silicone mat is really useful. I can just clean the toothpick on it. I can use a toothpick again. Now I'm applying the middle finger. Oh, I'm terrible. I know I shouldn't touch it, but I can't help it. The index finger. I usually let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes after application. I'm gonna paint the thumb for the second time. If you support your hand with the pinky, you can get the stability. Well, actually, I didn't use my pinky for the first coat. Oh, by the way, I didn't design today's nail art. I saw such a cute nail design on Instagram and I'm trying to copy that. They don't show the thumbnail design, so only the thumbnail is my design. The second coat for my little finger. This polish is really opaque. It dries pretty fast too. It looks pretty patchy with one coat, but it looks pretty good with two coats. I like this milk white one too. It doesn't get patchy at all. I should paint the pinky and the index finger again. I dried it 5 to 10 minutes and doing the third coat. I'm done with the ring finger and the middle finger, so I'm applying a top coat. This is also a Japanese product. It's called Paradu Gel Top Coat, but it's not gel. I'm gonna get a cramp on my fingers. They are so stretched out. I'm gonna stamp on the thumbnail. I bought this blade at the 100 yen store in Japan. Make sure to have a stamper and a scraper at hand. I got this stamping polish at Walmart in Hawaii. Actually, this is my favorite white stamping polish. I'm gonna paint some dots. If you have a silicone mat, please do use it. You can use a silicone mat as a palette. I'm gonna paint dots with a toothpick. Oh no, I don't need a donut. Well, okay, I'm gonna fix it later. Now I found it really difficult to dot with stamping polish. It dries so quickly. So I'm gonna use regular polish. I'm practicing with a dotting pen. Okay, looks nice. But honestly, I don't like using a dotting pen to dot. It's really difficult to dot a perfect circle. Or even worse, I get like a teardrop shape or something. So later in this video, I'll show you how to make perfect dots. Well, nearly perfect dots. I'm gonna stamp a snowflake on the pinky. Now on the index finger. Now I'll show you how to make nearly perfect dots. I'm gonna dot on a stamper. Make sure you have some space. I'm dotting small and big and medium. This way you get to choose good ones. You can just get rid of bad ones later. This is washi tape. I'm rolling it so that the sticky side comes outside. And I'm gonna get rid of bad ones. Well, there are many bad ones. But I need 6 or 7 good ones, so this will do. Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm gonna dot with blue one too. When they get dry enough, I'm gonna stamp them on my nail. With this method, you can choose your favorite size and favorite shape. I just hate bad-shaped dots. I'm gonna stamp the blue one on the white one like this. Wow, I didn't hit any wet polish against anything, yay! So the art is done. This is foil glue from Temu. I'm painting it on the stamped prints. The foil glue works as a non-smudge top coat. Foil glue on the pinky. And on the index finger. When the foil glue dries, it becomes transparent. Now that it's dry, it's ready for the top coat. See, it doesn't drag any print. No smudges at all on the pinky either. I just finished painting one coat of top coat. It looks pretty nice, but when it dries completely, it looks flat and loses glossiness. So I painted séché vite after 6 hours. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!